Hello kids, today we learn about tools. Hammer, this is hammer. Screwdriver, this is screwdriver. Wrench, this is wrench. Plier, this is plier. Saw, this is saw. Drill, this is drill. Chisel, this is chisel. Mallet, this is mallet. Axe, this is axe. Shovel, this is shovel. Roller, this is roller. Sandpaper, this is sandpaper. Clamp, this is clamp. Scissor, this is scissor. Toolbox, this is toolbox. Screw, this is screw. Safety goggles, this is safety goggles. Gloves, this is gloves. Ladder, this is ladder. Measuring tape, this is measuring tape. Hacksaw, this is hacksaw. Putty knife, this is putty knife. Allen key, this is Allen key. Stapler, this is stapler. Nail puller, this is nail puller. Glue gun, this is glue gun.